In today's video, I'll show you how to connect integrations in QuickBooks Online, so you can link your favorite apps and automate your accounting workflow. If you're new to QuickBooks, integrations allow you to connect tools like payment systems, e-commerce platforms, or CRM software directly to your accounting system. This means less manual work and more accurate data. Let's walk through it step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on the Apps tab. This is where you'll find all available integrations. Inside the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. You can either type the name of a specific app you want to connect or browse through different categories to explore available tools. When you find an app you want to use, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll see information about what the app does and how it connects with QuickBooks. To begin the integration, click on Get App Now. Next, you'll be asked to authorize the connection. This step usually involves signing into the third-party app and granting permission for it to access your QuickBooks data. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once connected, you'll move on to the setup phase. This is where you configure how the integration works. For example, you might need to map data fields, choose how transactions are imported, or set how often the data syncs between the two platforms. After setup is complete, the integration will start working automatically. Depending on the app, you may see new data appear in areas like transactions, sales, or banking inside QuickBooks. Now let's talk about managing your integrations. To view all the apps you've connected, go back to the Apps section and open the My Apps tab. Here you can monitor your integrations, update settings, or disconnect apps you no longer need. If you ever notice that an app stops syncing properly, you might see a Reconnect option. This usually happens if your login details changed or the connection expired. Simply click Reconnect and follow the steps to restore it. Integrations are a powerful way to simplify your workflow, reduce manual entry, and keep your financial data organized in one place. And that's how you connect integrations in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.